Welcome back. Today is March 28, 2015. Let us see what the stock market is doing. Now I have the monthly chart. As you can see, this is a monthly chart. The maroon line is above the black line and the maroon line is above 80, which shows that long term we are in an uptrend. The prices are also in an uptrend and the prices are above this blue dotted line, which shows long term we are in an uptrend. Let's see what's happening on a medium term basis. On a medium term basis, we had a high here, we had a high here. This was a prior high, this was a prior high. So we are making higher highs. This is a prior low, this is a prior low. The prices have not undercut the prior low. So we are making higher highs and we are making higher lows. So we are in an uptrend. But since the oscillator is going down, we are in a consolidation pattern. As you can see, we are in a consolidation pattern here. Let me clean up the chart. So the oscillator is in a downtrend, and that's why we are in a consolidation pattern, even though we are making higher highs and higher lows. Now let's go to the daily chart on a short-term basis. That is very interesting. We made a recent high here. The prior high was here. We did not cut the prior high, so we are making lower highs. This was the prior low, and we have a low here. It has not cut the prior low. However, the oscillator is at the bottom. So what can happen next week is that this prices cut the prior low. If that happens, we are in a downtrend on a short-term basis because we are making lower highs and lower lows. If this price turns up and the oscillator turns up, then we are in a consolidation pattern. We are continuing a consolidation pattern on a daily basis. So what should we do? We should be fully invested for the long term. On a short to medium term basis, we should sell our weaker positions. And since there's a chance that the daily chart may start showing a downtrend in prices because we'll make lower highs and lower lows, we should aggressively sell our weaker position on a short term basis. I hope this helps you what to do with your investments. Signing off for right now. See you next week.
Disclaimer. This site may include market analysis. All ideas, opinions, and/or forecasts expressed or implied therein are for informational purposes only and should not be construed as a recommendation to invest, trade, and/or speculate in the market. Information contained herein is not and should not be construed as an offer, solicitation, or recommendation to buy or sell securities. No guarantee is made or implied with respect to the accuracy, timeliness, or completeness of the information provided. The information and content are subject to change without notice. Any investments, trades, and/or speculations made in light of the ideas, opinions, and/or forecasts expressed or implied herein are committed at your own risk, financial or otherwise. I and/or my family may now or in the future have positions in securities mentioned or not mentioned here. I am not an investment advisor, and the content of the site is not an endorsement to buy or sell any securities.